Welcome to another mega exciting 5-minute auto pairing. Let's try, one of my favourites, Smith-Morra gambit. Oh, is accepted. Let's not lose a bishop. He's quick. Oh dear, this is a dangerous plan actually. I'm not really sure. Okay, he's pretty solid for a moment. But I'm thinking finally, so is he playing this like routinely to accept the gambit and play this thing? Okay, e5 here. Do I get anything out of it? I don't really think I'm going to get much. If I put the bishop here on b1, e5 coming up. No, I don't know. It just exchanges the rooks. Can I provoke some weaknesses? What would he do? Would he play h6? I just want to provoke some weakness. That could be handy later. Now what? King h1 maybe? Nope, dancing around here. King h1, bishop g1. I haven't really got much for plan. This is a very good antidote plan, discouraging e5 basically. I was going to go in knight c4 one day. I think bishop g1. That's annoying. Oh, there's bishop a6 on the cards, even more annoying. Oh, he just won the exchange now. Nearly. Oh, this is getting really uncomfortable. e5 though, I've got this battery, crude battery. I should really have considered it. I think just then, a bit more carefully maybe. But it looks pretty logical now, e5. Crude, but the only thing I'm doing in the position, like knight takes knight g4 after. This h7 soft spot. Well, I'll play for e5 here. Oh! What is he doing? Oh man, what a move. That's really annoying. I haven't got time for bishop f6. This is really, really annoying. Do it anyway. Bishop a4. I've got knight e4 after that. I haven't got anything now, have I? There's a check for throwing. Alright, there's a check here. Go back there. He's got bishop d6 on the cards. Doesn't look like I'm having much fun here. I don't think there's much fun to be had here. Just doomed. Rook f3 and g4. I can't see anything really. I think he's just played this fantastically strongly. I refute the whole gambit. This has gone wrong. This is totally nothing. In fact, I'm losing the exchange now. Light moves. I think it's gone. It's too much. Yeah, that was something. Oh boy. Played really confidently as well, really quickly. Yeah, it's just better once he's got this position. It looks as though not sure what I'm doing. Yeah, I'm just getting. Oh, hang on, E5 here. Oh no, this was a good opportunity. And it takes. Oh my god, I missed my shot. E5. That's a shame. Yeah. And if is it just winning here? Because the rook takes D7. It's actually just winning here. Knight here. Queen A4. Okay, it's just winning a piece. Ah man, it was so easy that shot in retrospect. And now it's just nothing because of Queen D2. He's just killed my attack and just winning on the queen side. It's so cruel. It's so cruel. There's just no attack here. It's just gone. Oh well, there was one slip up by him in this. And I didn't pounce. It was the one thing to do. Anyway, comments or questions on YouTube. Thanks so much.